Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Red EDC. Hope you guys are having a fantastic Saturday so far, and a good weekend ahead, of course. So, why are we here? Well, the Olight is having a Father's Day celebration. Now, if you look at the, on your laptop or whatever, look on the website, phone, whatever the case may be, it's going to look like a pretty small sale because they are pretty much just introducing this guy right here. This is a Baton 4. It's a premium edition. It is a new edition of the Baton 4. This is the guidance version, and we're going to take a little closer look at that in a minute. But from the looks of it, if you use the app, you can save up to 30% on a lot of items. Now, I personally have not used the app a lot. I've used it just a little bit. I don't know. I guess I'm old. I like the laptop. Okay. Anyway, new version there, but please feel free to check the app out. Up to 30% off. Some good stuff for sure. But this is the new version of the Baton 4. Every once in a while, Olight comes out with, they call it a premium edition. They change it up a little bit. But there you go. There is the guidance edition. There's the case. There's the back. Now, this is standard Baton 4, so we're not going to go through. This is basically not a review of the Baton 4 at all. We're just taking a look at this new version. Now, one thing about this case that is pretty cool, and I don't think I've mentioned this before, that not only will it charge the Baton 4, but it also charges the Baton 3, and it also supports the storing and charging of the S1R2, the Perrin Mini, the Perrin 2 Mini, and the Perrin 3 Mini. So a very versatile case for charging many of your lights. But there you go. There is the Guidance Edition. Got that dark blue, gold accents. Very, very nice. Now, this one is on sale for $80.74. I think it's 20% off on the website. Now, it may be more on the app because it says up to 30%. I'm not sure. I don't see as to where they would change the price up between the app and the website, but they might. You might. So, it could pay to check out. So make sure you look on both. But standard Baton 4, you've got half lumen, 12, 60, 600, and 1300 lumens. Really, really cool. I like this version. I like this colorway. The dark blue with the gold accents looks really, really nice. And the case being able to charge so many different lights is really pretty awesome. There you go. Looks like we're at 40 but man, yeah, I'm kind of digging this one. Now, I do have one of the other premiums right here. I'll kind of show that one. This is the other one that I have. This is the Baton. This is a premium version of the Baton 3, the Dragon version. So let's just let's check this out. Look at that. Baton 3 right in there. Very cool. That's awesome. That is very, very cool. It says, yep, we're charging. Nice. Nice. That is super cool. So yeah, I mean, they do these special versions every so often. Very cool. But there you go. Like I said, guys, this was just a quick video this morning. Get you on your Saturday. If you're not aware of the Father's Day sale, go check it out. For sure. Get an awesome new Baton 4 for a pretty decent price. Again, they do have some packages, bundles with the Baton 4. As always, there are some bundles, I guess, that are on sale as well. So go check those out for sure. But hope you guys have a fantastic, fantastic rest of your day. If you're seeing this early enough, remember, today is early. SKL, 2 p.m. Pacific time, 5 p.m. Eastern. Hope to see you there. Have a great day, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the brand new guidance version of the Baton 4. Have a great rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.